All right, so yesterday was, or this trade was today, Thursday, January 8th. Caught this trade. I traded this day as well, but this trading day I didn't make a video on. Um, Pretty confusing day. I can't lie. I got cooked this day because one, I wasn't patient, and two, the markets were kind of hard to read this day. However, we do see our um setup kind of play out with the Fibonacci here, right here. But it was a kind of a hard day to read. Gonna be honest. Saw liquidity get taken here, and then again here. Could have entered for a long there, but bought to like the previous high. But that day was kind of. It was a day mainly for patience. However, today was a day also for patience, and yeah, really patience. So I'm gonna remove this. Actually, no, I'm gonna hide this. If I hide it, I can't find it. So going into today, I was bullish. Swing structure was bullish. We see on the 4 hour, we see that we're mainly making a pullback right now. We haven't seen price create any significant structure like a push up, push down, push up, push. Price has just been rattling up, and now we're seeing a significant pullback. On the 1 hour, we are also seeing internal structure being broken. Here, boom, structure breaks there, structure breaks there, and breaks here as well. Also here, here. So internal structure is bearish. However, going into today, I saw price tap back, looking to tap back into this area. We see how price swept all of this liquidity, all of here, all of here, all of here. Price has taken all of this. So price is now looking for a place to mitigate, honestly, in my opinion. So I go on the 15-minute. Last place I saw price create a strong momentum, strong move off of was here. This demand zone. So I marked this out, and let's see. Yeah. So during London, we see price tap into this area, mitigate it, instantly push up, continue pushing up, create a higher low, break structure here. Price break structure there. Pulls back down to create a higher low again. And this is where New York was opening, so I scaled down to the 5-minute. And I also saw price creating a Fibonacci as well. See price pull up, and now it's creating another pull down. You could also see it this way, but I saw it this way. The major one. Scale down to the 1-minute. I entered off of this candlestick right here, basically right at New York open. I entered off of this candlestick right here, and price tapped down, pushed down again, but I had my stop loss below the 50% level and also below this area of support that price has found, like pushback from, essentially. So had my stop loss below these levels, as I saw price was also creating higher lows and higher highs at these levels as well. So had a pretty decent stop loss. TP was up at the previous week low that failed to break. No, it did. It wasn't a weak low because it did break structure here. However, this was also the Asian high. So this was where I wanted to see price get to. Also could have stopped, took the trade out here. This is a 1 to 3 as well. but I wanted to see price get all the way up here. So yeah, we enter, price instantly pushes up after being in drawdown for a little bit, pushes up, and I got out here because this basically is where I wanted to see price stop at, this 1 to 3. So I stopped here as I saw price coming down a little bit, but price did continue up eventually and hit TP a few hours later. But that's basically the only trade I got off. I also saw this trade as well with this Fibonacci here. Price from here to here tapped into the 50% quickly, swept up, could have entered here, same TP. Not sure if this was an entry or not. It kind of tapped back into the 25%, but yeah. I wasn't looking for, probably would have got stopped out on it. Actually, no. But I wasn't looking for price to take liquidity today, like down here, take liquidity down here, because I saw that price had mitigated these zones with strong pullbacks and strong pullbacks. So price wasn't going to be looking to mitigate like all the way down here when it already did. And it already has all the liquidity it needs from the past. So yeah, I was just looking for buys, but this was a trade, nice 4-to-1 risk reward. And yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna see tomorrow, gonna journal this, but that was basically it for today.